walks into a bar. The bartender says, "Don't shoot! I'll give you all my money." And it's funny because a raccoon has like a mask on his face, so he looks like a bandit. So he really wanted to order a drink, but the bartender thought, you know, he was getting robbed. He just wanted a drink.
What was that?
Joe said we need some facts about raccoons for the show.
Oh, okay. Well, the actual word raccoon comes from the English taking of the Powhatan word for raccoon, which means scratching with its hands.
I don't get it.
Alright, so the goal of the today is to find some raccoons for our viewers, get them all educated, and for the love of God, not get lost.
Yeah, I have school in the morning.
joeTV is your school now. It's so perfect.
Have you ever had teeth that feel hairy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, I describe that feeling all the time.
Good. Because they put this weird stuff on my teeth to prevent cavities, and it feels like I just swallowed calcifer.
When I was younger, we actually had a pet raccoon, and we named him Gizmo. And he, you know, grew up, got about the size of a bowling ball, and then just kind of wandered off like raccoons do, but he used to sit up and watch TV like a man. And sometimes he would fumble with dog food, and sometimes he'd eat the kitchen table.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I can talk. I'm just driving.
Look at her.
Hi.
Hello.
Indiana resident?
Yes.
$7.
joeTV has like a business expenses account for stuff like this, right? Like I'm gonna be reimbursed. I think he's ignoring me.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
You too. I think. I want that.
Oh, look, that's Grissom Memorial Museum. We have arrived, raccoons.
Be aware.
joeTV has arrived. You know, most people don't know this, but the word raccoon is actually an adaptation of the Native American Powhatan, meaning animal that scratches with hands.
Oh wow.
Oh my God. Raccoon tracks! You know, this actually reminds me of a really fun raccoon fact.
Are you gonna say the raccoon fact?
I was waiting for the music.
What music?
Music that happens when I state the fact.
So, the music happens after the editing process.
Wallow on the ground, you worm! It's perfect.
Keep doing it. Well, I never.
Hate you.
Oh my.
You know, pelicans can actually...
Do you think this is a game?
Dude, no one cares about raccoons anymore. Pelicans are what's in.
We are here to film a sophisticated raccoon documentary. If you want to film some trashy, filth-diseased pelicans, you do it on your own time.
Hemorrhage Cave.
If we don't find a single raccoon, I'm gonna burn this park to the ground.
Accurate.
We may have stumbled upon a raccoon. Sitting in Jacob, this bait. It's known that though raccoons are furry and adorable, they can also be incredibly vicious. You see, Jacob is taunting it in an attempt to establish dominance. He has won this round. Let's carry forth.
Okay, so how do you actually plan on getting some raccoons on film? Anyway.
Well, I'm just going to canvas this whole park in garbage.
I'm so happy about that.
You know, the raccoon paws possess an amazing dexterity. They're able to open doors or unhinge locks, and they actually have very sensitive front paws. This sensitivity actually increases underwater, and therefore raccoons will actually put their food under the water and wash it before eating it. If there's no water nearby, the raccoons will actually rub it without water just to get rid of the debris, because it's something about feeling their food that they just enjoy. Alright, we're hot on the raccoon's trails now. I found some more tracks!
I just don't want to get in trouble. I mean, I'm in high school, you know? I don't want to throw my future away for some stupid joeTV movie.
Jacob, I'm not gonna let you get in trouble. I'm your big sister. I mean, he'll totally understand. I mean, he's not even paying any attention to us. It's not like he noticed that you went and picked up that trash. He's like off talking to... Wait, where did he go?
We're blazing a trail! Woohoo! Get them raccoons!
Yep.
I'm gonna have you go forward and pretend to be its mother. So, go a few feet in. And chirp. Do it. Less vulture. That's better. Actually pretty good. Music for the dead.
Who's filming here?
Brought to you by joeTV.
Hey, I have an exciting joeTV fact.
Oh, I'll film you.
So, most people don't know that Christopher Columbus may have been the first person to have actually documented a raccoon.
What?
Yeah,
That doesn't make any sense.
it's true.
Raccoons didn't even exist back then.
Yes, they did.
No, it's a known fact that raccoons did not exist that far back.
Joe,
Let me-
they did.
No,
me
that's
look this up.
ridiculous.
You are
Raccoons
being
are
ridiculous.
very new. I
No,
don't-
raccoons definitely were back.
Where
in
did you even
Christopher
get that?
Columbus's time.
Is this some Wikipedia
No,
made up
I
garbage?
learned it in school. I
This is
have a college
this is
education.
just-
Why do you even doubt me?
Just a
Christopher
load.
Columbus was the first
I
to
am an
talk about
admin
raccoons.
of a prestigious internet site.
Okay.
I tell you guys, but I have no signal out here.
I don't even know why you're involved in this.
Well, I'm right.
Directly in my sight, right now, is a raccoon. Do you see it? Does it see us? My
God. Just keep filming. Alright, let's sneak up on it. Jacob, grab our things. I've got a good camera. You'll see a good camera. Grab our things. That's a raccoon. You can tell by its banded eyes and its ears. Now it kind of looks like a very fat cat. We are witnessing history right now. Dear Lord, what is it doing? Is it going to get a drink? Let's see if we can get just a little closer. Does the raccoon control the thunder? And just like that, the majestic raccoon fades into the woods. Never to be seen again. As it walks, it takes one final step back. What a beautiful sight, and we are grateful for its presence.
Perfect timing. Now, if this isn't universe manipulation, I don't know what is. Power of joeTV right here.
That's right.
Captured the raccoons, filmed everything we needed, then it rains. I know what I'm doing.
It's fun.
It still is fun.
Nature Patrol, Nature Patrol.
Watching.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna close the group now.
Do it. The movie's not coming, guys.